Hello and welcome. I'm going to be answering Neco 2019 Commerce Objective Past Question 57. The following are aims and objectives of establishing Ecowas except to A. Ensure free movement of factors of production within member states, B. Expand trade among member countries, C. Foster closer relations among member countries, D. Promote economic cooperation and development in the fields of industry, E. Promote political differences among member states. So we're looking at Ecowas and the aims and objectives following the establishment of Ecowas. Now, Ecowas stands for the Economic Community of West African States. The Economic Community of West African States, and it was formed to promote cooperation, development, and economic integration of the West African sub-region. So let's look at the options given to us and analyze which one is not an objective of Ecowas. Now, option A, ensure free movement of factors of production within member states, is an objective of Ecowas, as Ecowas was established to facilitate transportation of factors of production within the region. So if this is an objective of Ecowas, it is not the answer to this question. Now, option B, expand trade among member countries, as we have rightly seen in this in the main objective of Ecowas, is one of the reasons why Ecowas was established. So it is not the answer to this question. C, foster closer relation among member countries, obviously is one of the aims of Ecowas, and hence is not the answer to this question. Promote economic cooperation and development in fields of industries, as we have seen, to promote cooperation is one of the reasons why Ecowas was formed, so it cannot be the answer to this question. However, option E, promote political differences among member states, is not a reason why Ecowas was formed. So this is the answer to this question. Option E, promote political differences among member states. Thank you, and please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more videos and for more past questions and answers.